short 25-minute presentation I'll put together. So, as Chris mentioned, I'm a co-founder of Technically Philly, who we're also organizing Philly Tech Week. We're fascinated by this process and the conversations that are here about open data and what the power there is. We also find journalism and the journalism that we do is in a unique place to help identify opportunities for new data sets or helping convene organizations around data. And we helped create Connect Philly, and it launched a few weeks ago. It's a tool to find free and affordable access to the internet in Philadelphia. What you see is a Google map with 200 locations that include the key spot locations that have been launched throughout the year. Also, retail locations that provide internet access, and additional places outside of the city of Philadelphia that provide these types of services. And these things include training, non-English language, workstations, and staff support to help people learn how to use the internet and find digital literacy opportunities and in general just find access in a city that it's estimated that 41% of Philadelphia households don't have access. I think what's unique about this specific project is that we had been just doing coverage of the issue and saw that there was already a great data set being created by KeySpot and the Freedom Rings partnership. And we said, on the other side of things, we saw businesses that also had these types of services. And how can we marry these two worlds together? So not only is the project itself a great example of a public-private partnership, but also I think we were helping unite the public and private communities in Philly. So I just want to do a quick demo and talk quickly also about what I think is more interesting about this tool. Inherently, having a web-only product that helps you find access to the internet seems kind of it doesn't work, right? So we also built a mobile tool that any mobile phone can access this information. And so using very simple language, like 41st, texting the words 41st in Lancaster to the number on the screen will return the closest location that provides access. And you can also do basic searches like 41st in Lancaster disabled for workstations that provide disabled services. So in this particular example, you can see an iPhone searching for 12th and Chestnut and Urban Affairs Coalition coming back, and then following that message with a help request where you can see some of the additional search terms that you can use. So from the beginning, the idea was how do we make sure that this product and this data that's being collected and collaborated on can be accessible for the right people. And to go back to the tool itself, you can also the same data set is powering the mobile tool as is the great product you see here, which was developed by Jim Smiley of the Frankfurt Gazette. He's a private developer who does great stuff, and we can't thank him enough. But same situation where you search for a location, and let's say you just want to find retail locations or disabled access, and it immediately shows you where those locations are. So we're very excited about how journalism and how journalism as institutions who may not have played in this space for institutional reasons like just trying to play an unbiased participant in news observation, we were very interested in the conversation about taking action and responsibility when appropriate. I don't think this particular project would offend anyone, and I think we're in a unique place to make it happen. So in terms of next steps, we're hoping that this can be marketed to the right people who don't have access, and we're working with many institutions in Philadelphia to do that. And we're also looking at opportunities like releasing the data on Open Data Philly, and also opening the code up to be scaled to other cities as well. My 6 words, I have 2 sets, I couldn't decide. Plus I just made them up like a minute ago. Rethink how your industry helps Philadelphia. Attend more Philly Tech Week events. Thanks everybody.